So you can't send messages for 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, or even for 1 hour on Instagram. So what is the solution and how you can quickly fix this issue? The solution is very simple. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram application and take the screenshot of the conversation in which you were got banned. After that, you have to go to your profile and tap on these 3 lines available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works absolutely the same on both of the devices and even on desktop too. And after that, you have to scroll through this page and scroll to the end until you find help under this more info and support button. So tap on help, and after that tap on report a problem and tap on report problem without shaking, and here you can select include and continue. Next, you have to briefly type this kind of thing as I've written. Hi, I was falsely banned from sending messages for 3 days. I've written it 3 days. You can write your duration of messages ban. I have never violated any kind of community guidelines during my conversation, so kindly unban me for sending messages. And after that, you can upload the screenshot from your gallery that you have just taken and send this report. And after sending the report, Instagram team will unban you very soon and you'll be able to send the messages. Meanwhile, you can do one more thing and you may get unbanned instantly after doing that. You have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android, and go to the search button and search here Instagram. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it and update your Instagram application by tapping on this little update button right here. And after updating, go to Instagram again and see if you are unbanned for sending messages or not. And if this thing didn't work, you can simply tap and hold on the application and tap on delete application, and after deleting it, go to the App Store or Play Store again and install Instagram again. And even after reinstalling, if you are still seeing the issue, you can use any other account of Instagram for sending messages to your friends and having conversations. Now do let me know in the comments that which thing worked for you for getting unbanned for Instagram messages. Thank you so much.